welcome back to the Vlogaroo. It has been a while, right? We've been doing all these summer camping and travel videos, and so I thought those would take the place of the Weekaroo, but now I think we're getting back into the rhythm of things. We've got wild monkeys back there somewhere. Today I'm filming a video, which we'll have already seen, for Barnes & Noble about their big blowout sale, and I am beyond excited to be filming that because if you know me, if you know my videos, you know I love to read, and you know that Barnes & Noble has always been like this fabulous, relaxing spot to be, right? Because it's just this haven of books and stories, and you can sit down in a chair and browse through and figure out what books you want. I don't know, it's always been kind of, I love bookstores, I really do. I love giant big bookstores full of wonderful tales. I loved that well before I started writing, and now I really extra love it. So I'm pretty excited, so that's what I'm doing today. And then hopefully tomorrow we are going to get outside and play. I'm going to try to get us out to the playground today. Because it is really nice weather. Like yesterday and the day before was 57, 58 degrees. And today is, 71. It's going to be nice. So I think we're going to get outside the next couple days and play. So hopefully you all come along with me. But it's nice to be back, Weekaroo. I have missed all you little biscuits. It's kind of a nice thing to do every week. Abraham is sweeping. Good job. We filled up some bird seed so that we could feed the birds. And somebody's pretty darn excited. Yeah. Oh, sweetie, you don't want to do that with your wooden police car. It shouldn't get wet. We bought a thing that makes sounds to get rid of the neighborhood cats because they kept crawling into our hardscaped sand. And so far, I gotta say it's been working. Let me show it to you. It's this guy here, and I think it's been working really well. These are some glow-in-the-dark rocks we got, and I have not been impressed with them so far. I don't think they glow all that much, other than them being bright. No, stop. You know the rules, so you gotta stop doing that. No, you stop moving it. Somebody has been a crabby pants all week, and is continuing to be the crabbiest little child of all time. So we'll see if just sitting and hanging out before aunties and uncles come over, maybe it'll make him cheerier. I don't know. Nice hammock time. I think today might be no diaper day. What do you think? Another afternoon without diapers? This one did a good job on his potty training. He went a whole afternoon in just his big boy undies. I mean, most of his clothes just kept getting tinkled through. But we're trying. We're really trying. I've tried before, and I think he's getting there where he can do it. You don't really need help. He just pretends. Sorry, we're right next to the road cars, but there is a train engine that you can walk on, and it's really cool. Look at those mountains over there. Don't die. So come along, we're gonna go kayaking, eating our snacks, and hopefully not fall off the train. That is a blatant lie. I'm clearly not a pillow. Oh my god, I'm not a pillow. I don't look like a camping pillow. I'm not a camping pillow. I'm not a camping pillow, I swear. Oh, he's jumpy.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
It is spooky night. Spooky. What are you most spooky by? There once was a mommy vlogger who vlogged all the scary stories, and said to themselves, once I went camping with a child, and nothing's more terrifying than that. Good morning. It's, by the way, thank you, La. It's Friday, my Weekaroo. Oh yeah, sorry I didn't vlog more yesterday, but it was just a crazy day. Ooh, the whole week's kind of been wild and kerbobbled. And oh yeah, I had to get my wonderful collaboration with Barnes & Noble in, and that took a lot of time. And then we had to prep for school and camping and everything. Oh no, he's trying to eat me. we're gonna go down to the lake and look at it after we get dressed. This is my crazy way to sleep. Ooh, there, look, I can have a crown. Oh yeah, oh no, no butts in the air. Somebody's just tried to strip off all his clothes, even though it's super cold. I have a thermal and a sweater on. Oh yeah, I'm hoping to get to do some creekside yoga. Oh, gentle today, because I feel like I can use a good stretch, and that would be nice. Hey, 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 Abraham, no, there's no kicking mommy in the face. Absolutely not. That's not kind. No, no, no. Feet down, please. Feet down. Feet down. I'm getting dressed. Thank you. So come along to the pond. And so, no, I do not want to be kicked in the face. I just said that. Do you want to go have a timeout outside? Feet down. Feet down. Go put on your pants. Put on your pants. We're going to work on having a diaperless day. But it's a little bit cold for that because I'm a little worried that he'll tinkle through all his pants that we brought. So we'll have to see how that Edmonton Sequoia train goes.
Kick you off. Okay.
I didn't. One of the things that I have felt camping this year, first time really, like, I think this is our 4th camping trip this summer, which, you know, those that know me are shocked that I'm going camping, is how lucky we are to live in an area that, you know, within 5 Rivers Drive is all this amazing things. And it's beautiful. This campground is very near the road, which a lot of the campgrounds here are, so you do get a lot of noise from that, but it is just, that's beautiful. I mean, I think that camping for Abraham has been great to let him kind of detox from too much cartoons and electronic stimulation and let him just play in dirt and calm down a little bit. Not that it works every time. And for me, it's been a great practice in gratitude. And, you know, I found it interesting because you aren't looking in the mirror, you aren't looking in the camera, you aren't online, you aren't doing social media, you aren't, you know, I'll bring my work, maybe my writing work with me, but it's just a different type of work, it's a different part of my brain that I'm engaging. And I think it's so lovely to switch back and forth between those, you know, not that either one is better than the other, but it's great to experience both mindsets for both of us, I think. You want to what?
Who you see, Mommy?
The beauty of the space.
Wow.
I think we're finally going to get the kayak going because there's a dock at this campground. Yeah, and I brought all the life vests. Come on, bud. Let's go walk back and get Auntie Momo and Mr. Auntie Momo. Come on. So that'll be really nice. I'm excited to get on the water and get to kayak because I haven't gotten to do it at all this summer. It's hard with the monkeys. So it'll be nice. Okay, this is a beautiful trail. Look at that. That is just lovely. Beautiful place to walk. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, what's this? This is a giant tree that has fallen over. Look at that. Isn't that just amazing? It's so beautiful. I think some of the boys went to try and climb it, but it is just gorgeous over here. I love seeing these beautiful trees and the nature habitats that they make, right? The little microclimates. You have the little nursery logs where things grow out of, and these beautiful bridges that let things scurry back and forth and let slowly decay into beautiful soil that things can grow into. It's pretty amazing. Look at that. Don't die!
Don't break the camera.
Oh God! I think only dudes would try this.
I would do it, but I would go very slowly.
I wouldn't do it. Whoa, do you see the mushrooms on here? Look at these. Big mushrooms. Show the aunties. It's a giant tree log. I know, that made your day, didn't it? Oh guys, did the trail wash out? Okay, this is a little fern gully, but we're gonna hop it. So stunningly beautiful.
Waterfall right there.
Oh my god.
Be careful, Abraham. Oh, it's so deep right here. We're gonna come from here.
This is beautiful. What does Troy have?
Troy have rope.
So Troy doesn't need any help? On the hike, he can do it all by himself? Because you're a super fire truck? Wow. Well, you are pretty cool, little man. So the trail has washed out in a bunch of spots here. So we're debating whether we can climb over these boulders and make it up there. I think we can do it. I think we can. Hey, do you, my fabulous Weekaroo buds and Biscaboos, want to come along? I think our Biscaboos want to come along because adventure is the name of the game.
Help me.
Of course. Can we go adventure together?
Yeah, and get your hat and your camera.
Okay, it's a fair deal. Can I have a big hug? Let's go, let's have adventure.
Go do.
My little fire truck?
Wait, no, let's go.
Okay, come on along.
Get your hat and your camera.
Of course. Wow, it's like unbelievably bored. Slightly bursy. This is just such a beautiful spot. Look at that watercolor behind me. It's like the same color as the shirt. It's incredible. Abraham's pretending to be stuck in some sand. He's not. In case you hear like shouts of "Save me," it's not true. I hope you guys like coming along on the hike. Look at that water. That is just so gorgeous. Because I love sharing these little journeys and, you know, inspiring us all that you can get out and go see beautiful things in nature and still walk even with little monkeys. The exotic PNW are in their natural habitat, the selfie land. Yeah? Come right over there. That's the safe part. Across the suspension bridge where we did a night tour. I know you can't see me, but I'm still gonna talk. I didn't record it all because it's too dark, but I thought the suspension bridge was spooky.
Oh, what's that story?
It's a Totoro in its natural habitat.
Mommy,
Welcome back, Weekaroo. I know I don't normally film on Saturday, but I kind of hosed on the rest of the week. I don't have my hat on. Oh, sorry. So I thought I'd show you Totoro. We have more friends that joined us on our camping, and Auntie Momo is staying back. So, oh yeah, we're gonna go down to a creek and see.
It's about a kitty cat.
So cold. I have so many layers on. I'm gonna show you at the creek how many layers I have on. The small monkeys are running ahead, but I was gonna tell you, I have a tank top on, a thermal shirt, a workout jersey sweater, and my polar fleece sweater. I just got a cold last night. It was so, I'm not like in a chew cold, but a chill. Because Abraham was stealing my blankets off me all night, and it was cold. So I'm hoping we'll warm up on this walk. But it's just so beautiful. If you ever get out to the Cascades, it is worth a long drive to see, because it's really stunning.